Hey everyone, Carlo here. Welcome to the vlog. This is the channel where we talk about sneakers, life, and tech. And today's episode will be special. I actually just landed here in Las Vegas. So I'm here in the US. I left the Philippines yesterday. And I'm here to cover the Consumer Electronics Show, or CES. But before all of the tech content, what I wanted to do for today is to just go around Las Vegas Boulevard and maybe do some sneaker shopping. So I saw that there is a massive Adidas store just beside my hotel. So I'm staying here at the MGM Grand, and there is a giant Adidas store just across the street, or I think on the opposite side of the hotel. So we'll go there and check it out. But before we go sneaker shopping, let me just show you around our room. So this is the room that I'm staying at over at the MGM Grand. The view isn't really that nice. I just have a window, and the only thing I see is a wall. So I have two beds, I have a desk, the usual stuff. I'll show you what I did with the cabinet so you also get a feel for what I brought with me. So come along. One of the things I like to do during vacations or staycations is to spend some time to organize the cabinet, especially if I'm staying for a while. So we have some of the belts that I brought. Looks like an off-white store in here. So we have some shirts, we have jackets, one hoodie, and then we have more shirts from Carhartt over here. We have some of the sneakers as well as the bag. I did my unboxing of the Yeezy 380 Alien. If you guys haven't seen that yet, the link can be found down below. Let's get outside of the hotel and let's walk on over to the Adidas shop and see where else this day brings us. So we're here at Adidas along Las Vegas Boulevard. So I thought it was big based on the pictures, but it's just your typical Adidas store. So we'll go inside, check out what sneakers they have, and then just go down the stretch of Las Vegas Boulevard to see what else is down here. There's an Urban Necessities here, which of course the most famous sneaker store, I guess. So we'll have to go there as well and visit it in this video. Let's kick things off with Adidas. First floor is mostly the performance gear from your typical Ultra Boosts, hardened sneakers, and a bunch of other sports apparel. Nothing too interesting except for Ultra Boosts that are 50% off. We actually found a couple of really cool colorways, including an orange with a black boost that was just selling for a little over 4,500 pesos or $89. We also saw the Ultra Boost SNL at the same price point. So I guess this is one of the reasons why you would want to go to an Adidas flagship store, mostly for the discount. Now the second level is where it becomes a little bit interesting. We saw almost the entire Star Wars Adidas collaboration. We have the NMD set, which consists of the Darth Vader NMD, black and red. Says at the back, "Join me and together we will rule the galaxy." We have Yoda, the NMD, the one with the green color. It says at the back, "Do or do not, there is no try." We also saw the Rey NMD for the ladies, which says light balances darkness. And we also have, I think this is like the Princess Leia version. It says there is hope. So all of the 4 NMDs are just sitting there waiting for anybody who wants to pick them up. If you're a Star Wars fan and you're in Vegas, you might want to check it out. We also saw the R2-D2 Night Jogger, which was very popular in the Philippines, sold out fast across all stores and even online. And we also saw the Stormtrooper Night Jogger, which didn't get too much love because it just looks so plain. Apart from that, we also saw a couple of lifestyle sneakers inspired by the boost color of the Ultra Boost 20 collaboration with the International Space Station. We had the NMD, which had the same boost color. We had the Torsion X with the same boost color. I'll do a review of the Torsion X when I get back to the Philippines. We even saw a Night Jogger, which also had the same color of that particular UB. Now, apart from that, we also saw a bunch of lifestyle sneakers on 50% off from Night Joggers, Stan Smiths, but I won't go over all of them. My point is, if you want to go here, most are GRs, but they do have great discounts every now and then. After Adidas, I took a long walk to Undefeated. So after Adidas, the plan was supposed to walk to Undefeated here in Las Vegas. Now, Google Maps said that it was just a 5-minute walk. But I've been walking for almost 20 minutes now, so naisahan ako ni Google Maps. So I'll see you guys again when I get there. But man, this is a long walk. Kanina pa 5 minutes, 3 minutes nakalagay dito eh. Di nagbabago eh. Ang lakas mang asar eh. Ang lakas mang asar. Now, to those who don't know, Undefeated is a Japanese streetwear / sneaker shop. I actually featured a bunch of their branches when I did the Osaka and the Japan vlogs. I'll link to the Osaka and Japan vlogs just in case you guys haven't watched them down below. So we'll go there now, just a few minutes away, and check out what sneakers they have up for sale here in Las Vegas. Even their 7-Eleven here has bling. I mean, take a look at that. Now for Undefeated, one of the first sneakers that caught my attention was the Sneaker Consortium 4D. And this one was selling for $350 US, a little over 16,000 pesos. Yeah, around 17,000 pesos. We also saw the Pharrell Human Race collaboration, Human Race, Human Made. Both the NMD and the Solar U are still sitting on shelves. One sneaker that I almost pulled the trigger on was the Vans Rude in red. So I have the black one and I have the blue one. I did reviews. I'll put a link down below, and I'm missing the red. So I was almost super close to pulling the trigger. We also saw the Undercover Air Max 720 in both colorways, red and in black. I kind of feel bad that nobody is showing this love. Looks really dope. Looks really nice, guys. We also saw a bunch of Air Force Ones. There was one really cool one, a yellow snakeskin Air Force One, which had suede paneling along the side, which sold for $130 US. We also saw the LeBron Air Force One, the I Am Interrupted, again selling for $130 US. This is the one that actually comes with pens, so you can write on it, sign it, whatever you want to do with it. That comes with the shoe. We also saw the Jordan 6 wash denim. So this sold out fast in the Philippines, both online and on shops such as Titan. Here it was just sitting, selling for $200, a little over 10,000 pesos with tax. We also saw the Jordan 4 Winterized and the Jordan 1 Bloodline. Both sneakers slept on worldwide. We also saw the Ultra Boost Black Undefeated, which is, I guess, something that you would normally see in an Undefeated store. And there was one Air Force One that I really wanted, but they didn't have it in my size, which really sucked. There was this cool looking black denim Air Force One, and it was on sale too. So I kind of felt bad that it wasn't available. Now those were the sneakers that caught my attention over at Undefeated. I'll do a haul video which will show what I actually bought. So watch out for that in the next few vlogs. So we're here at the fashion show. I think it's a mall here in Las Vegas. So we'll go drop by the store of Urban Necessities. So I just came from Undefeated. I picked up a pair of sneakers which I'll do an unboxing back in the hotel. So watch out for that when we get back. But for now, we'll check out the store and see what sneakers are up for sale at Urban Necessities. Urban Necessities is one of the most popular sneaker streetwear shops in Las Vegas and maybe in the world because of how famous 2J Skicks is, the owner and the founder of the shop. Now, if you go there, it's actually a fun shopping experience. You use a QR code to check out the price and sizes available of all the sneakers that they have. So all of the sneakers actually have tags with QR codes. So you use your phone, then you go to a site and it tells you what the available sizes are and the price. I won't go over every single sneaker that's there because that will just take forever. So here are some of my picks. We saw the newly released Yeezy Azael. This one is selling like hotcakes in the Philippines thanks to the super positive review of DJ Big Boy Cheng. They still have it in a couple of sizes. I can't remember the exact price. I think it was running anywhere from 20 to 30,000 pesos. They also had the Yeezy Slides as well as the Yeezy 380 Alien. The Yeezy 380 Alien sells anywhere from 25 to 35 depending on the sizing. So if you consider how much is being sold in the Philippines, which is over 30, this is actually cheaper. It's actually cheaper to get it in the US than to get it in the Philippines. I also saw a really nice looking 4D. It was in collaboration with S&S. Nice pop of purple for the top. It was selling for a little over $400 US, and I almost copped it, because it was actually in my size 13, I think. And speaking of my size that I almost copped, they also had the Air Up Tempo Supreme in gold. Again, in my size. It's as if they were just sitting there waiting for me to go there. This one was selling for a little over $400, if I'm not mistaken. It was used already though. But I was can you guys tell now if I actually bought it? Because I won't share with you guys in this video what I actually bought yet. So I'll do a whole video in this series. Watch out for that. So I won't spoil, but let me know what you think I bought in the comment section down below. I also saw the Air Force One flea market. So this one in different colors. They look nice. I'm not really a fan of the overall design. It's not something that talks to me, but I'm sure a lot of people love that shoe. One shoe though that I really love with the Air Force One line that unfortunately they didn't have it in my size is the Air Force One. I can't pronounce the name of the shop. It's like Aim de la Mier or something. Really nice leather, really nice use of materials. Unfortunately, they didn't have it in my size, so I wasn't able to pick one up. Now, apart from all the sneakers, they also had shirts. They had the sneaker arcade machine, and they had a bunch of other hype items such as Supreme, Off-White, Bear Bricks all over the shop. Okay guys, so as you can tell, I'm back already here in the hotel. I will be doing a separate video or a separate vlog where I talk to you about the haul. So I'll share with you everything that I bought because I bought so much. So I'm not showing yet the items, the sneakers or the jackets or the stuff that I ended up copying over at Adidas, Urban Necessities, as well as Undefeated. So watch out for that video. That should be coming soon. Also, there is a part 2 to this shopping series. I actually went to Off-White here in Las Vegas. I also dropped by Feature here in Las Vegas. Both luxury stores are amazing, jaw-dropping items, which I will also do a video on in this series. So watch out for that as well. The Off-White here is amazing, guys. I mean, it is one of the nicest luxury stores I've ever set my feet on, and I definitely will be coming back throughout my trip here in Las Vegas. And yeah, I'll be doing videos and articles on unbox.ph, so watch out for that because I will be starting my content about CES, the Consumer Electronics Show, maybe tomorrow, if not tomorrow, the day after. So again, watch out for all of the content. I have an amazing lineup for you all in the next few days. So that said, I hope you're all doing great in the Philippines. Peace, God bless, what's up, boom.